Handles are still like new. It's got AC, quick attach, all that. It's got 101 hours on it now. I didn't realize I'd put that many on it. But I mean, it's like new inside. It's not all wore. It's got the stereo. I'll get out and kind of walk around. It's got good cold air. Windshield wiper. I welded these hooks on there so I could hook chains if I needed to pick stuff up. It's a 2-speed, has high flow. The tracks are like new. I need to wash it to get all the dirt and stuff off of it. The seat's still like new. It has the quick attach, the powered quick attach. I'm gonna get in it and run it and let my wife video it. It's already going.
Okay.